Brian and Zachary at Marissa's house,
Oh, look,
playing
it's like they're
nicely
holding
together.
hands. You're playing so nicely. You're playing so nicely.
Here they are. They're friends.
Brian's reaching out and making nice. You making nice to Zachary? Zach looks very confused. As usual.
Yeah, who's this kid in my space?
Yeah, you want to smile for the camera?
Aww.
Yeah? Looks like, yeah, you're happy. You're having friends. This is your first play date. This is your first play date. I'm going to have to get a hold of this video. Look like their hands crossed.
Oh my gosh.
In their overalls. This is the best. This is the best. Look at the two of you.
You guys are so cute
So
together.
adorable. Look at this.
This is little Brian's first
fantastic.
play date.
Wipe the spit off your face.
Yeah.
Just like how men play together when they get to be older. They just sit on the couch and watch TV. You guys are just hanging out watching. Oh, watch this. Ooh.
Oh, look at Brian.
Look at him. He's like, what?
He's never seen anything like this before. Zach's like, yeah, man, that's cool. Get
He's
my
like, show me
toys.
something new. I've seen that a few times. Ooh. Turn off the TV so we can hear it. Brian's fascinated with this.
He's a little concerned, I think.
Why does that butterfly have legs in its wings?
Hi, Zach. Hi. Hello. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. You are such a sweetie. Uh-oh, is little Brian pushing you away? He doesn't mean to.